Hello, this is not the end crochet. One of my goals is to start working with my Sentro. Have my little tub, and it holds like things that I need for it, that I think I need for it. At least that's what I've been seeing on all the videos, but who knows. It's my leftover practice yarn. I saw a video where silicone is supposed to help it go through, and there are all the tools that came with it. I don't know about that. And then Projo Corner, she suggested this for the thread that'll help soften it or condition it so it'll go through the machine, even the tough stuff. So I'm anxious to try that out. And she also suggested you get a pick tool. I think most people use this for the loom knitting, but my mother used to call it a traveler's hook. She worked at a knitting plant, and hers was like sharp corner. And I had it for a while, and I lost it with everything else. We moved, but I got that. What else did I get? Oops. I got the adapter, and I got, some of them said need weights. I got a bunch of these. I got a couple more with them. Yeah, that's it. So I don't know. I'm gonna turn the camera. Hold on a minute. Notice that the table the Sentro is attached to was getting dust on it. So I said, well, if the table's getting dust, then the Sentro's getting dust in it. And that couldn't help but alter things inside the Sentro. So I started putting a bag over it. Yeah, I'm a little behind on making stuff, but hey, it'll do. I can get off of her. And I looked into buying a 4.2 horsepower drill, and those little things ain't cheap. So I know everybody's probably gonna be up in arms because I'm gonna use my regular drill. That's what I'm gonna use. This is what I'm gonna use right here. Everybody gonna be up in arms. Oh, you gotta tear your machine up. I guarantee you, I'll get another one. Or I might use that as an excuse to get it added. We'll just have to wait and see. There it is. And see, there's the little silicone thing right there. And to tell you the truth, I'm a little anxious. I don't know if I'm afraid of failure or what, but I'm anxious about this. I could have been did this, but I just did not do it. So, but about a couple weeks ago, I did practice on some I Love This Yarn scraps that I had, and it did great. That's all I had left from, I think, a project that Granny to Infinity blanket. I'll post a picture of it. This is all I had left. So, well, there's nothing to it but to do it. Let me pick out some yarn. Now, for sure, I know that the I Love This yarn will go through the machine, no holes barred. And I heard that Big Twist will go through it too. And I got plenty of that. 1, 2, 3. That's 27 skeins. So, like I said before, on my other videos, when I was destashing, I got plenty of yarn left. So I'm gonna try one of these. I don't know which one yet. Kind don't like the indigo. I think I'll try this one. What is, it's a big twist. And the color is sapphire. That's all the specifications. I'm gonna give this a try. Okay, I finally got it set up to where the whole circumference is within the screen. Had to adjust my tripod. I don't know how much storage I have left on my camera, so I don't know if I'll be able to record this or not. I might just show you the beginning and the end. So we see where this goes. Okay, I did a simple pull from the skein. There's my end. And it gave me a little bit of yarn bar, but it's not awful yarn bar. I think I can get it undone. Just have to make sure my thread don't get crossed. Okay, I got it all pulled out, and then I run it back, and so, ta-da! Now I know I need a good length inside. And what confuses me is that some start on this peg and some start on this peg. I think I'm gonna start on this one. Back, forth, back, forth. A little rusty, so I'm gonna take my time. Oops, see, I missed one. Well, I'm gonna drop it right here and see what happens. Oh, and put some weight. I'm going to put it in the last tension guide and set the counter before I started. You know what? I'm gonna try that thingy. Let's see. Beware one with power tools. I'm gonna hold this. I don't know. I know it fits around here. Not gonna run it full speed. Let's do it. Speed it up a little bit. Watch my count. I think I want to do 65 for a single beanie, single layer beanie, and then I think it's 130. Oh, my foot was on the thing. It's still going. I need to put more yarn. That's 36. Looking good. I'll get back with you when I get through. Okay, I had weights on everything. And it got too much for that. So I took the weights off and kind of made a donut inside. And I'm gonna continue on. I'm up to 75. I'm gonna do a double-sided beanie. So I'm looking at least 130. Whoa, let's see. I'm up to 81. Now I'll get back to you when I get through. Okay. One more row. Find more. Looking for the white hand. It's coming up. Should be right there. There we have it. There. Looks alright. Long. I like this side better. Well, I need to get it off of here. And what I've seen is, with my little tools, is that you leave a long enough tail here. Cut that way and bring this forward. And as you crank, thread it. Yeah, what's that big one? Look at this. Need to put this in here. Now, as I crank, I thread it off of here. And I saw there's a lot of static buildup on this. Ooh, goodness. That you only do when it's ready to come off, no more than 4 at a time. I don't know, I might have tried too early. There it comes. I did. See if this one will fall. You know what? On that. get off. I gotta practice some more. Yeah, it's off.